Hello friends, welcome to Silk Zone. Today again I'm back here with a very beautiful collection of hand painting sarees, which I'm showing here is just a view from our factory. You are seeing this how these sarees are painting in our factory. This is the view from the factory, which I'm showing our customers that how we are designing, how we are doing the hand designing painting over the saree. Friends, all these sarees are available at our Silk Zone, the website, that is www.silkzone.in. You can directly log in there and you can purchase, you can place order over there, or else you can directly contact us on the WhatsApp number which is showing in the screen, or you can directly call us there, and you can queries, for any kinds of queries you can call us, you can contact us, you can DM us in the WhatsApp. Friends, this is a view from factory which I am showing that how our designers are designing these sarees by their hand. These sarees are handmade sarees with a hand painting. This is a pure Tassar silk sarees, hand painting sarees available at Silk Zone, that is directly you can purchase over www.silkzone.in, or you can take a screenshot of the sarees and you can DM us in the WhatsApp. This will be also considered as the your order. Friends, just see how much we are giving our time and efforts for painting these sarees, how these sarees are designed in our factory. We are showing the view from factory. The designers are designing, the designers are painting the sarees. This is a view from factories. That is how our sarees are get ready in the factory. These are the very beautiful designs which is made by the hand painting sarees. These all sarees which I am showing you in these videos are pure hand painting sarees, which is painted in our by our experts, by our designers in our factory. These all are painted sarees at just rupees 4,500 rupees. Friends, hand painting sarees are very costly in the market, but you are purchasing these hand painting sarees, Tassar silk hand painting sarees from the Silk Zone at just rupees 4,500, because you are directly purchasing from a manufacturer. You are not going any shop, you are not going to any kinds of shop or any kinds of other places or anywhere, because Silk Zone is giving this much facilities their customers at that much less price. This is a very genuine price and very less price comparing to market. If you go for the hand painting sarees anywhere, friends, you are going to pay very much there. These sarees are very beautiful, very lightweighted and very awesome collection from the Silk Zone, the hand painting sarees. In the beginning only I showed you how the sarees are painted in our factory. This so all are hand painting sarees from the Silk Zone. Just see the beautiness of the sarees, how this color combination we are using here. The multicolor flower design and multicolor design sarees, a very beautiful pallu, a very beautiful blouse pieces are there with a very beautiful floral design. That is their hand painting sarees, that our all the design are designed by our designers, our painters. They are just painting how beautiful they are doing this color combination mixture of the sarees. This is a pure Tassar silk sarees, 100% pure Tassar silk sarees with a silk mark tag with a hand painting design. These sarees are available in Silk Zone. See the beautiful of this saree, which is a black saree having a very peach color and light green color floral design all over the saree, and a very beautiful red color, dark peach color you can say border, and very multi color flower design this saree is, which is having a pink and green and white one over the sky and having the pink border with the silver zari border. All these sarees are, friends, painted saree with the hands, means hand painting saree. You are getting a good art saree, article sarees from a Silk Zone, a very artist. All the artists in our Silk Zone are very experts who are designing these sarees for our customers as per their demands. Friends, if you have any kinds of design in your mind, and if you wanted this kinds of design to print it over any other colors of your sarees, that also you can do. You can set your pictures of your own designs and any colors from the Tassar silk sarees. We will paint the same saree and we will provide you the same designs to you. Friends, even Silk Zone do customizations. This facility is only available from the Silk Zone to their customers. Silk Zone is always there to help our customers, always there to design their own designs to the customers. For this, if you have any kinds of special queries, if you want any kinds of special sarees painted of your design, you can call us, you can contact us, you can directly DM us in the WhatsApp number which is showing in here in the screen. You can even call on that number also. Friends, these sarees are pure Tassar silk sarees with a very beautiful hand painting design at just rupees 4,500. Ma'am, challenge you, friend, that you are not going to get this kinds of beautiful sarees anyway in this price. These are directly you are purchasing these kinds of beautiful sarees from the Silk Zone. All these sarees are available in our website. You can directly log on to www.silkzone.in and you can have a look to our entire collection over there. All these sarees are available in our website as well as in our stock. Just if you want to have If you want the same particular sarees there, you can search this sarees there, or you can take the screenshot and you can share us in the WhatsApp. This will be also considered as you order, and you can set your particular address, and friends, you will be getting a doorstep service from the Silk Zone. We do shipping all over the India. It's very less price, very less cost, and even we do the international shipping also, friends, at a very less price only. These all sarees are pure Tassar silk sarees with a very beautiful hand painting designs. You can see how beautiful these flowers are made all over the saree. This is a green color saree having a green color floral design and a leaf design in a pink color. The very beautiful sarees, very awesome collection saree with a dark bottle green border and dark bottle green pallu is there. And with each and every saree, you will be getting a blouse piece from the Silk Zone. Silk Zone never give any saree without blouse piece. All the sarees include blouse pieces attached with the saree. See the next this saree. This is also very beautiful, having a multicolor floral design like a pink one, blue one, green one, a sky one. Over the yellow color saree, dark pink is there, and even the pallu of the saree is very beautiful. I'll be showing the pallu. And this is the whole body, and this plain one is the pallu, and you will be getting a same plain blouse piece for these sarees. All the sarees are very awesome collections and very lightweighted, as Silk Zone is famous for its silk sarees, and Silk Zone will also be giving you the silk mark tag for all the silk sarees. And other collections are all apart from the silk sarees. We have other so many collections. You can go to our website and you can see all these sarees in our website over there, and you can directly log on to www.silkzone.in and you can have a look to our entire collection over there for all any kinds of other designer sarees. If you want, you can DM us in the WhatsApp and you can ask for the pictures. We will be sharing you. We feel very happy to serve our customers. We feel very happy to help our customers. Feel free to contact us anytime. Feel free to message us anytime. And even friends, we are available on the video calls for this kinds of purchase saree. If you want to purchase any other collection sarees from the Silk Zone, we are available from morning 11 a.m. to evening 7 p.m. for all your video calls. You can do video call and you can purchase over there also. Friends, see this is a very beautiful saree which is in a red color, having a very multiple design at the bottom side, which is very beautiful. I can say floral designs, leafy design of color combination of this saree is very awesome, friends, and very attractive, very unique. In this saree also it is including blouse, and the cost of this all saree is just rupees 4,500 rupees. Friends, I can say that this is just an offer price for you, because you are not going to purchase, you are not going to get this kinds of sarees at that less price. You are directly purchasing from Silk Zone, from a manufacturer. That's why you are getting in this less price. Just have a look to this saree, which is having a floral design in the plain body, which is also having a border at the bottom side with a leafy design, zigzag design, and it is having a yellow and red one saree. The pallu of the saree is very beautiful. You can see the multicolor combination is there. Even a peacock design is made over the pallu. Very beautiful color combinations, a very awesome collection at just rupees 4,500 rupees. This sarees can be used at just rupees 4,500 rupees. This is a very less price for this sarees. This white one is very beautiful, very awesome, which is having a like lotus kind floral design at the bottom side of the saree. Friends, this is very unique and very multicolor sarees. All the sarees are available at Silk Zone. Just directly log on to www.silkzone.in and have a look to our entire collection over there. Thank you so much, friends, for giving your precious time to watch this video. You can contact us Silk Zone anytime, and feel free to contact us and WhatsApp us anytime, friends. We are always there to help you out for any kinds of queries. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press on the bell icon, so whenever we'll be posting the video, you will get a notification, immediate notification, and you can see our latest collection. Thank you so much, friends. Once again, please do like, share and subscribe, and have a good day. Thank you so much again. Bye.